Good afternoon, students. And today we're going to go over the importance of digital literacy. And so I've written an entire book about it. It's called Digital Literacy, Mastering the Art of the Online World. And so unlock the power of technology with Digital Literacy Essentials, a guide for beginners and those looking to enhance their skills. What you'll discover: master essential digital skills like email and file organization. Identify reliable information and stay safe online. Manage your digital footprint on social media. Use productivity tools for task management and shopping like Zoom and Slack. Explore graphic design and multimedia creation like on Canva. Understand future trends like AI. This guide is perfect for students, professionals, and parents, and anyone wanting to navigate the digital world confidently while ensuring safety against scams and misinformation. Where there's a need: education, crucial for research and online learning. And digital literacy is also crucial for the workplace, necessary for productivity and adapting to technology. Everyday life, important for personal safety and security and to prevent scammers from scamming you. And identity management, vulnerable populations, help bridge the digital divide. Global inclusion, boosts economic growth and developing nations. Civic engagement, encourages participation in governance and social change. Buy your book today. And so here is my book, Digital Literacy. And then without further ado, I will also talk more about my book and about why digital literacy is so important in this day and age. And so without further ado, I will introduce you to my PowerPoint. There you go, my PowerPoint. So digital literacy, mastering the art of the online world. Introduction to Digital Literacy Essentials. Overview of digital literacy skills. Empowering individuals as informed critical consumers. Enhancing daily interactions with technology. The internet is evolving. AI is changing how we write, research, and communicate. If you don't keep up, you'll be left behind. That's why I wrote Digital Literacy, Mastering the Art of the Online World, your essential guide to navigating the digital world with confidence and skill. Key digital skills covered: basic digital skills, email usage, file organization, spotting reliable information and online protection, managing social media and digital privacy, everyday productivity tools for streamlined tasks, creative tools for graphic design, photo editing, and multimedia creation. The digital literacy crisis. The world is more digital than ever. Misinformation, AI misuse, and online risks are growing. Many people don't know how to use digital skills responsibly. So every day we rely on the internet for work, school, and social interactions. But many struggle with misinformation. And so get my book, Digital Literacy, Mastering the Art of the Online World, which teaches you how to think critically, use, and protect yourself online. And so dealing with digital threats and ethical online behavior. Identify digital threats such as phishing emails and fake websites. Understanding the ethical dimensions of online interactions. Utilizing digital tools for effective research and communication. The importance of digital literacy today: empowerment, navigating and thriving in a digital environment, safety, avoiding scams, misinformation, and privacy breaches, critical evaluation, assessing online content and ethical sharing, adaptability, staying productive and resilient amidst technological changes. So my book, Digital Literacy, provides practical, easy-to-follow strategies for making the digital world work for you without falling into common traps like misinformation and over-reliance on technology. And then the broader benefits of digital literacy is global participation, bridging gaps in education work and interactions, opening doors to educational and professional resources, social inclusion, reducing the digital divide and fostering engagement, enhanced communication and civic engagement, empowering informed communication, community participation. Digital literacy across demographics and industries, education. So in education, you need digital literacy in order to do research, source evaluation, and using online learning platforms, workplace, proficiency with productivity tools and communication platforms, everyday life, managing digital identities and protecting personal information. Vulnerable populations, bridging the digital divide for underserved groups, global inclusion, accelerating economic growth through access to digital skills. And then another importance of digital literacy is that it would bridge the gap between tech-savvy youth and digitally cautious older adults. Economic status. Digital literacy addresses limited access for lower socioeconomic backgrounds, industry-specific skills, aligning training with healthcare, marketing, education, etc. Also, digital literacy helps you adapt to training to regional and cultural needs. Technology is moving at a lightning speed. If you want to learn digital literacy, and if you wait to learn digital literacy, you risk falling behind in school, work, and everyday life. Digital literacy, mastering the art of the online world, gives you the tools you need. So get my copy before it is too late. And so in conclusion, digital literacy is universal, and it's very, very necessary in this digitally driven world. And you empower yourself and your community by having digital literacy. And you also create a safer, more informed, and connected online world. Don't wait. Take control of your digital future today. Get your copy of Digital Literacy, Mastering the Art of the Online World. And this book, Digital Literacy, is the first in my 4-book series. So the first book, Mastering Media, Digital, and AI Literacy, covers all 3 literacies. Then the Digital Literacy book covers how to use a computer, how to use Zoom, how to use Slack, and how to stay safe from email phishing. Then media literacy teaches you fact from fiction and helps you avoid propaganda and helps you evaluate sources for credible sources for papers. AI literacy goes over how AI works and how to evaluate AI-generated content and how to avoid AI deepfakes and how to use AI ethically. So unlock the future of education with my books on media literacy, digital literacy, and AI literacy. These are all essential guides for navigating the digital landscape. This collection offers practical insights for educators, students, and lifelong learners to thrive in a technologically driven society. Empower yourself to master emerging technologies and make informed decisions. Get your copy on Amazon today. Order now. So I hope that you all enjoyed my really short video on digital literacy and the importance of digital literacy. Because nobody can live without knowing how to use a computer. And so basically, digital literacy in its simplest form is simply knowing how to navigate, use the internet, and use the computer, and use Zoom. And you need all three of these if you want to stay connected in this hyper-connected world. So this is the first book, or the second book in my series, Digital Literacy. So get your copy today, and you won't be sorry.